guys, Lindsay Duff here. It is Wednesday, August 7th, 2019. This is Responsible Day Trading. Today, I've just taken a quick peek. I haven't been able to look at this for almost a week, and I probably will be a little out of the game for the next week or so with school coming up and just a lot going on. Puts a lot in the stress up here. I may take trades and not record it. I don't know. We'll just see what happens over the next couple of weeks, and then we'll get back into the swing of things once school gets kicked off. Okay, that's a big thing for me. Also want to make sure all my students get taken care of, so I may take a little break myself so I can help them out, and then we come back together. All right, so let's go peep out what is happening. Good God, this thing has just popped back up. Let's check out the daily chart first. Okay, so we had this giant drop, right? And it's pulling back into the area of the lower EMA on the daily chart. We still have a lot of strength in the MACDs to the downside, but let's take an honest look at this. Those MACDs to the downside take a little while to turn. It looks like it's actually trying to do it right now. Let me see here. I have to, let's see if it pulls back and gets me and has me right above here. There we go. See, I'm going to take that one out. This can still keep it. Yeah, look at the strength to the downside now. I feel like I should be out of this one, definitely. I'm gonna take, oh, nope, I was gonna take my tick, but it took it for me. Oh, look at that. It's still going. It's still going. Yeah, it is still going. I'm even pulling it down more as it hit it and didn't take it out. There we go. Pulling away here, still down. I think I'm going to take this out here in just a moment. Look at this, 23.20. And I'm going to go ahead and close it out. Let me tell you why. A couple of reasons. Number one, my daughter's texting me. Number two, I have, oh, look at that. I have literally 2 minutes till I'm supposed to be on a call. Number three, I'm feeling all right. 2 trades, 6.5 points so far. All right, guys, I am going to stop this video. I'm only 10 minutes into the video, so this is going to be a really short one on my YouTube, but it's got a lot of great information. I can already see that it's pushing up from that area right now, and hopefully this call comes in the next few minutes. We can get this knocked out real quick, and I may come spend like another 30 minutes with it. Otherwise, I'm going to shut it down, and this will be it for today. I've been away for a little while. I get a little bit skittish when I've been away for a little while, so it takes me a minute to breathe, to get stuff together, my mental, all right, and you saw me, I got a little bit late into that trade. I've actually been doing a lot of work with the Eminis in my off time, just working on holding for that bigger picture, working on being okay if it's starting to pull a little bit further than I'm comfortable with from my wrist, because I like it to be 2 ticks, 3 ticks above. Sometimes I sit there and wait and it's at that right spot and I don't take the trade. That's just something going on up here. That's okay. I will fix that with practice and learning and working. Okay, we got about 45 minutes before the market closes, so I thought I'd come back for just a little bit and see if there was anything that I could do here. Oh my goodness, let me see if I can get in. There we go. Ooh, I don't like where my risk is. I like that it's right here at this low, but I really would like it back behind here. Did not quite do what I wanted it to do. Let's see. Still see the reasons for this to go up. I just didn't like my risk. My risk was in a terrible spot. Let's try this one more time. Right behind that close. Right behind it. Let's move this off. I like it to be off where that last high is. So let's pull it in just a little bit. There we go. Reach that target. Move it up to a break even. The break even is not the best spot for this to be right now. It could definitely pull back to it. So I got my finger over a close button. I'll be taking this out very soon. Just gonna go right behind this spot. There we go. Okay. What I was starting to notice was potential reversal bar here. Definitely one on my 610 tick chart showing a potential reversal bar right at there. It popped back really, really hard. This could definitely keep going up. But guys, I think, what did I trade? Maybe 30 minutes today? Let's turn this on and I'll go ahead and mark them up now because I'm done. It's close to the end of the day. It's 2:30. Market closes in 45 minutes. So, actually, let me mark them on here. Forget it. I'll just go grab it this way. These were not the best days. This one was okay. This one was not. It kept my risk at a place that really could have come back and hit it. And that is why we're very particular about our risks. So that actually came back for minus 2.0 because I did move it up. Even if I had it at the 1.25, it would have touched it to that T and then taken off. So really, if I just had my risk one tick further below, I'd have been fine in that one. Okay, that was a quick and easy day. That's what I love about doing this, guys, is that, you know, if you're really, really paying attention, you can have this day done very, very quick and very, very easily. Let me see how it came up on my 610. Okay, good. We'll probably be posting. Oh, that's still too far apart. Okay, well, it'll be 2 pictures later. So, pull this back over. All right. Well, that is going to wrap it up, guys. For real this time, I'm wrapping it up. So that's 4 trades, 3 wins, 1 loss, plus 11.25 points. So, you know, guys, you just got to be calm, wait for the right moves, take them when you see them. The Eminis seems to be, I peeked over it out a little bit. It runs exactly the same, but with the size charts I'm using, it's moving very, very fast. So I may want to take that into consideration and do a little switch up on those charts. I'll see. I'm not sure 100% yet. Man, my hair is wild today. I was supposed to calm it down getting this haircut. That didn't happen. All right, guys, let's wrap it up. Hope everybody has a fabulous day. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.